Okay, what are the chances I can drop this fender in place? Practically zero, I would say, but I gotta try it. Well, there you go. It's not that bad. A little bit of steel wool, some turtle rubbing compound, and clear coat. It should be good. But first, I've got to weld on the lower corner attaching bracket there. So, for now, okay, another new toy to experiment with. Handy little angle grinder with, forget what you call this, but it's kind of an abrasive attachment. Anyway, let's see what it'll do. Sounds hopeful. That's a little tricky. Seems to work pretty good. Awkward place to get into there without touching the edge of the wiring, but let's give it a go. Anyway, it's welding pretty good. I don't think I burnt through too badly, if at all. Wire speed seems a shade slow. Now this piece is going to be a little tricky. Yeah, he's going to need a little more shaping here. So let's do that. Well, got that lower corner welded in place. The two new pieces of metal. There and there. I gotta say, for a first attempt, it looks pretty fair. Didn't burn through too badly. Now I just gotta fit the fender up and determine where to drill the two locating holes in the bottom of that new piece of metal. So I'll get to that right away.